talking to Rasta, I have to turn my nose over the next side, you know. Right? And I say, hold on, man. I couldn't bear it no longer in a Rasta. Until me and the man alone in the car, you know. And I go say to the man, my brethren, rascal, man, your mouth stinking, man. The man say, what you say, what? Me say, man, it's high, man. The man say, hold on. Stop. Come out of my car, man. Me say, for what? Because you say my mouth stink, man. And me say, what a rascal, man, like this. It look like you name dead rat or some bumbo thing, man. And come out, you know. And take bus and come and me a pen, you know. Right? And to rascal, why is not every truth must be told? I don't like people where I say it's not every truth must be told, because when a man talk the truth, it shouldn't be an offense to no one, you know, right? A man, if he glad, me believe the man I go say to me now, Rast, you know nothing can help me, man.